Thomas, Walter, Harold, come on in. Tonight might be the most important night of Joseph's life.
Mom, can I go sleep over at Davis tonight? I got all my homework done. I have A's in all my classes. My room's completely clean, and I got all my chores done.
Joseph Schofield, I've told you this several times, but I will tell you again. You are forbidden from sleeping at other people's houses. Besides, you have a 92 in history, which is much too low. Now go back to your room. I don't want to see your face until tomorrow morning, young man.
Okay.
Joseph says he was unsuccessful.
Damn. Are we really gonna go through with this?
We have to. This is getting out of hand.
Yeah, I won't stand for this bullshit any longer.
Okay. David, do you want to go over the plan one more time?
Sure. Let me...
I think first, we're gonna need some sustenance.
I agree.
Mom, can we get some more pizza rolls?
Sure, honey.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay. Let's review. Walter, Thomas.
We'll sneak around to the back of the house where Joseph's room is.
And we'll throw up a rope, and Joseph will tie it down, and he'll descend. And during all of that,
I'll ring the doorbell. Then I'll run away as fast as I can, making sure Mrs. Schofield sees me. We all know Mrs. Schofield has a zero ding-dong-ditch tolerance. When she realizes someone ding-dong-ditched her, she will be so distraught and distracted that she won't even realize that Joseph is being snuck out.
And then, when Miss Schofield is back in the house, we'll sneak Joseph to the car.
Perfect. I'll be the one in the car, ready to drive once Joseph gets in. I'll also be the one to communicate for us to move on to the next phase. Okay, here's where it really matters. Joseph needs to hold up his side of the bargain. His mom takes his phone away at 7 o'clock every single night, so we need to hope that he's moved on with his phase of the action. All right, boys. We ready to do this?
Please work. Please.
Mom, we'll be back soon. Me and the guys are going on a quick adventure.
Okay, honey. Don't be out too late and stay safe, okay?
We will, Mom. Thank you for the pizza rolls.
Thank
you,
Miss Barrett.
Love you, Mom.
Walter just texted. It's time to move on to phase 2. Godspeed.
Don't worry. I'm fast.
Shit.
Yeah, that's right. You keep on running, punk!
Joseph, you okay, man?
I'm out. I'm finally out!
We did it! We did it!
Actually?
Smile.
God!
I did all my chores.
Cut. You look
From sleeping in anybody's house besides your own.
cut.
I hate you! I hate you! Joseph Schofield.
Cut.
God!
Schofield. Alright, ready? Action. Guys. Ready? And action. No,
Stop.
he looks so cool.
I don't want to see your face until tomorrow morning, young man.
Ah!
I'm sorry.
Ma, can we get some more pizza rolls? Ma, can we get some pizza rolls?
Okay, honey. Wait.
And then, when Miss Schofield is back in the house, no,
And he'll descend down with it. We'll tie it. Ah!
Drive once Joseph gets in the car. Shit! Back!
Go. Action. Mom, we're going on. Oh, shit.
That's fine.
Bro,
Okay.
what is this?
Ian, close your door, dude.
Oh my god. You're so fucking stupid.